If you want to transfer data from your iPhone to Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then in that case we can use the Android Switch app. On your iPhone you want to go to the App Store and then you can simply search for Android Switch. There we go. And this is the app that you need to install on your iPhone, and then we want to open it. On Motorola Edge 70 Fusion you just want to go to Settings. Then in here we're gonna scroll down and we want to find backup or copy data and choose copy data using Android Switch. Tap on start in here, there we go, and then just wait a couple of seconds. Next you should be able to tap on the next button in the bottom right corner. If you have a cable that fits both your iPhone and your Motorola, then you should be able to connect both devices together to start transferring files. If you don't have a cable, you can choose cable doesn't fit, so you can copy wirelessly by choosing copy without cable. Then you can scan the QR code, so in order to scan it, choose copy data on your iPhone, and then you can scan the QR code, and then confirm that you want to join the Wi-Fi network. And there we go. And while trying to connect to the network, you might want to make sure that the name matches on both devices. In my case, I have already transferred the data before, so I might not be able to do that again. But essentially afterwards, you should be able to choose whatever you want to transfer, and just confirm that you want to transfer, and then just wait for everything to be transferred. Now keep in mind that some data might not be transferable. You might not be able to transfer simply because, let's say, apps, they are built in such a way that apps on iOS are not compatible with apps on Android, even though they can be exactly the same apps. So you will have to download them manually by using the Play Store on your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. And remember to turn off iMessage as well, because otherwise you might have trouble with receiving messages on your Edge 70 Fusion. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.